how in the world can it generate my voice? And they're even saying they can generate my face and have me do videos without me even doing it. Guys, this is crazy. What's up, real estate agents? Hey guys, there's some important stuff. You need to stay tuned. I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence. Guys, it's going crazy. The internet's going crazy. The technology's going crazy. I just went in and wrote a script and it said it could auto-generate my voice, and I want you to hear this because if this isn't insane, I don't know what is. Tell me how close this sounds to me.
Take your business to the next level. Question-based selling is the best thing and is guaranteed to help you get where you want to be financially. Now, when you combine that with door-to-door real estate, that is when you are going to see an explosion in your business and your bank account.
So, wow, that does sound a lot like me. How in the world can it generate my voice? And they're even saying they can generate my face and have me do videos without me even doing it. Guys, this is crazy. So if there hasn't ever been a better time for you to be a door-to-door real estate agent, I'm telling you right now, is when you need to get into door-to-door, when you need to start learning about door-to-door. Why? Because you are right in front of their face. You're talking to them face to face. There is going to be no, hey, I don't know if this is real. I don't know if it's coming through a computer. I don't know if it's voice generated. I don't know what this is. Guys, when selling a house, it's the biggest investment you're ever gonna make in your life, and you want to be able to trust the person. There's not gonna be a lot of trust with everything that's out there right now. How many scams are there? People impersonating, different things that are happening. So I jumped on ChatGPT and I just typed in because I was curious to see what would happen. I'm gonna find this screen here. And I said, do I need to have a real estate agent? And if so, what do I look for? And it said, when you're looking to buy or sell real estate, a real estate agent can be a valuable asset. Here are some of the reasons why you might need a real estate agent and what to look for in a good one. Expertise and knowledge, market insight. Agents have detailed knowledge of the real estate market, including current trends, property values, and neighborhoods. Now think of this. You're on a doorstep. Are you listening to someone live and do you trust them more so than a computer-generated phone call or someone that's giving detailed information off of an online source? So important. Pricing guidance. They can help us have a competitive price for your property and determine a reasonable offer for a potential home. So now you're in neighborhoods, you're engaged in the business, you're talking directly to them. Hey, I sold the house right up the street on Cedar Drive. I helped the Johnsons and the Smiths and the Blackas to be able to sell their home. And I helped them sell for this amount in this city, and this is how long it took. More trusting? Absolutely. They know some of these people. Access to listings, the MLS. Agents have tons of access to the MLS. Are you gonna get that from a computer-generated source? Are you gonna get that from someone people perceive to be a computer-generated source? So now guys, think about it. If they're getting that good with impersonating my voice, what's it gonna be like when they're receiving solicitor calls from agents that are giving valuable information? Can they trust it? Will they trust it? All it takes is a couple people to get burnt, and no, they won't. Negotiating skills. Guys, when you're knocking at a door and you're helping people understand that now's the best time to buy, by asking them the right questions and being face-to-face and genuine and smiling and working through a scenario, I'm telling you, that's gonna go a long ways in the future. Legal and paperwork assistance. They are gonna need to trust you. And a lot of people that are doing cold calling right now, a lot of people that are doing prospecting in other ways, that's gonna get to where it is not trusted. It's like getting in your email and finding a receipt from something you bought that you have no clue what it is, so you click on a link, and then they steal a bunch of your stuff. Technology is getting sketchy, and you're gonna want to have a personal touch with everything you do from a legal standpoint. So time and convenience. When I'm knocking on a door, I'm showing up at their doorstep, I'm able to have a conversation with them and deliver a good message. If somebody calls me right now, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hit send a voicemail. If somebody calls me and I don't know the number, I'm never gonna answer it because it's never convenient to answer a phone from someone I don't know. I'm busy. I don't want to tell a marketer to call me. So guys, as we go down through this process and we think, where is technology headed? Technology is going to advance like crazy. Robots are taking over. There's grocery stores that no longer have employees. There are robots being built to run fast food restaurants, and there is tons of stuff happening in the real estate world. But the one thing that keeps us from being replaced is being in person, being trusted, being a great salesperson. And that's why I know that door-to-door real estate is market proof. I don't care if the market's up or down, or if there's problems with all kinds of stuff in the real estate market. Where are you gonna hang your hat, guys? I know that as you get out and do things that other agents won't, you will become more trusted, and you will be able to share experiences in which you will help your client win every day. And as we help them win every day, what's gonna happen is our business is gonna continue to grow and get bigger and bigger, and repeat and referral clients, because they're gonna say, hey, I used Duane, he came to my door, he helped me understand what the market was doing, he had a great experience, and now I'm gonna refer him to everybody I know. And this is why you've got to get out and make it through a process when processes are changing, people are hard to trust, and you can help them by interjecting your personality, learning the right questions to ask, and becoming a very, very sharp, skilled negotiator by doing things that other people won't. Guys, if you don't trust me now, you will in the future, and you'll say, Duane, I wished I would have listened to you years ago. But now is the time for you to reach out to me. Let's chat about it. Let's get you on the fast track to door-to-door real estate, to learn how to get in front of people face-to-face and help them make the best decisions of their life. Let me know your thoughts, your experiences on this. Comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this to every agent in the world, because they all need to know this. Have a great day, you guys.